Welcome back to WIP Wednesday, Daydreamer. Today, let's work on a work in progress I've had longer than any other. The mega-sized Gramps.
Have you ever been building a kit while daydreaming about building another kit? That's how you get to WIP Wednesdays.
WIP Wednesday!
Ragtag Daydreams is sponsored by NewTypeHQ.com.
Okay, so today I am going to work on the longest work in progress that I've ever had. It's been about 2 years since I purchased and began work on the mega size RX-78-2, the Granddaddy Gundam. It's the original Gundam. I think that with enough work and enough, just attention to detail and a little more time and effort, painting and different panels and things like that. Not just panel lining, but like painting different panels, different colors, adding LEDs and things like that. You can really bring one of these mega-sized kits to life in a way that rivals a perfect grade, especially one of the early perfect grades, first perfect grades, like the Gramps. I really like this guy. He is just massive. I had to kind of readjust even my little photo booth that I built just to be able to fit this thing on it. I mean, this thing's huge. It's really huge. It's gonna dominate any space I put it. But I've only really started building one perfect grade, and that was the perfect grade, perfect strike. So I haven't finished the weapon packs for that yet. I'm really dragging my feet on that. But once it's assembled, I will show you guys some repaints and some panel painting and things like that I'm going to do with that, and then do a video about that whenever it comes time to actually finish it. But I want to go ahead and let you guys know that I ran out of my little holders for the button cell batteries. It's the kind of thing where it has the prongs on it. You can slide the battery into it and then solder your wires to it, and it holds the battery there to get power. I don't know what I did with them. I know that I have a lot of them somewhere, or at least I did at some point. I've used a lot of batteries over the years, and so I've used a lot of battery holders. And I might genuinely be out, but I thought I had 2 or 3 left. But you'll see the backpack lights that I've got there, the LEDs that I've got there for the thrusters. You will see, of course, like in the intro, you will see the lights on the eyes, and I've just got a little clamp there for the eyes, just for the photo shoot later. But this is kind of cool, I think, just as a short video for a WIP Wednesday, to kind of just see some soldering being done and clipping out of some different parts where I need to make room inside of larger areas where there's just basically its structure of the plastic, how it was molded for the backpack. I'm going to be clipping out some of those kind of things and just making more room for the wiring to go through it. I actually break out I break out a full-size drill with a full-size drill bit in order to make more room for the larger parts and the wires. And of course, like I said, I did make more room on my photo booth, so you will get a solid view of this bad boy and how he looks right now. So just thought maybe a shorter video this week, because I will be having a Friday episode this week. So if you like the mega size kits, give this video a like. If you like wiring your own light harnesses and things like that, and all of your wiring for LEDs and those kind of things, in lieu of buying the LED packs and those kind of things, give this video a like. And if you're not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. Let's get into this. Let's get started. And this is the mega size RX-78-2, the Granddaddy Gundam.